morning, all of you. Hope you all are fine, beta. Let's do the remaining questions of chapter 1, life skills, beta. Let's move on to life skills. Knowledge gained through experience is far superior to and many times more useful than theoretical knowledge. Discuss the above statement in the light of the fact that the hermit did not answer the king's question as soon as they were put to him. See, beta, hermit was a very practical man. Okay, he was well known for his wisdom. That's why the king went to him to ask his three questions, and he expected a reply from the hermit that he would answer the questions as soon as they were put to him. But the hermit, as he was practical man, he was wise man, he knew that if he gave the answers to the king immediately, the king would not be satisfied. So he wanted the king to get the answers by his own actions. Okay, as it is well said that knowledge gained through experience is far superior to and many times more useful than theoretical knowledge. See, beta, when you do things, you experience things. Okay, so and that experience is long lasting and it is very useful for you because practical knowledge is better than theoretical knowledge. I hope you are clear with this question. Now, values. For that purpose alone was man sent into this life. What is this purpose? See, the purpose is to do good to others. As we all are human beings and we depend on each other, we can fulfill this purpose of helping each other by helping the needy and the poor people, by spreading the message of brotherhood. हम ब्रदरहुड क्या होता है बेटा? भाईचारा. बाय लिविंग इन पीस एंड हार्मनी, हम खुद भी शांति में रहें और औरों को भी क्या करें, यही कहें कि आप आराम से रहिए, टॉलरेंस रखिए अपने अंदर. बाय रिमूविंग जेलसी फ्रॉम हर्ट्स, अपने दिल से नफरत को हटाइए. बाय एजुकेटिंग इलिटरेट्स एंड सो ऑन, जो अनपढ़ लोग हैं उनको पढ़ाने के लिए, और बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. बाय स्प्रेडिंग द मैसेज ऑफ लव एंड brotherhood. This purpose is the only purpose that we are sent on this earth. Okay. Now, writing skill. On behalf of the king, write a notice inviting people to respond to his three questions. Mention the questions also. See, beta, whenever we write notice, ABC society or XYZ city is mandatory. When no address is, no school is given, no society name is given to you, you are going to write ABC city or society. Next line in capital letter in center, we are going to write notice. Then third, it is date. Suppose I am writing a notice on the 19th April. So month, date, comma, year. Then what are the title of the notice? That is three questions. Now, what is the notice actually? What information the notice wants to give? All the people or scholars are invited to respond to the king's three questions, which are: what is the right time for every action? Who are the most necessary people? And what is the most important thing to do? Whosoever satisfies the king with the right answer will be rewarded. So, at last, you are supposed to tell them that they will be rewarded. Now, who's writing? No person, the name of the person is not given, so you will write XYZ. But kindly put the notice in a box. Okay, notice is always in a box, beta. Now, assignment of chapter 1 that I gave you for trial in the documents. Here are the answers for you, beta. What did the king proclaim in his kingdom? बेटा proclaim का meaning मैंने आपको बताया था, announce होता है. The king proclaimed in his kingdom that he would give a great reward to them who would satisfy him with the right answer, या who would tell him the correct answers of his three questions. The wording is yours, beta. You can frame your own answers as well, but it should be grammatically right. Okay. Now, how did the king help the bearded man? See, beta, the king washed the wounds of the bearded man with his handkerchief and the hermit's towel. He repeated this process till the blood stopped flowing. बेटा stopped के लिए यहाँ पे seized word भी use कर सकते हैं आप, CEASED. Okay. He also brought fresh water for him and made him lay on the hermit's bed. In this way, the king helped the wounded man and saved his life. Now, why did the reward go to none? As nobody could satisfy the king with the right answer, so the king could not give the reward to anyone. That's why the reward went to none. None means किसी को भी नहीं मिला. Why did the bearded man confess before the king? See, beta, the bearded man whom he wanted to kill, the king had saved his life. This guilt of the bearded man made him confess before the king. ओके, क्योंकि वो तो किंग को ऑलरेडी मारना चाहता था, बट किंग ने इन रिटर्न उसकी हेल्प की, उसकी लाइफ को सेव कर लिया, और इसलिए उसको अपनी गलती का क्या हुआ, रियलाइजेशन हुआ, और इसलिए उसने कन्फेस कर दिया. कन्फेस होता है अपनी गलती को मान लेना. द बियर्डेड मैन रियलाइज दैट द किंग whom he wanted to kill had saved his life. He felt repented. Repented होता है पछतावा होना. Therefore he confessed before the king. Now next question, how did the king react to his confession? See beta, the king was glad. He was very happy to make peace with his enemy so easily, and he promised the bearded man that he would send his physician to attend upon him, and he would return back all his brother's property back to him, which he had seized. Okay, he also promised to send his servant also. Okay, the king was glad to make peace with his enemies so easily. He promised the bearded man that he would send his physicians to attend him, and he would give all his brother's property back to him. Okay, now why did the king choose the hermit to answer the questions? Because the king came to know that the hermit was a wise and practical man, so he wanted to get the answers of his questions. Okay, the king was not satisfied with the answers given by the scholars, still, he wanted to get the answer of his questions. Therefore, he decided to go to a hermit who was widely renowned. Renowned होता है बेटा famous for his wisdom. Wisdom is intelligence. जो कि अपनी बुद्धिमत्ता के लिए बहुत क्या था, famous था, popular था. Okay. Now, how could the correct answers of his three questions help the king? कैसे उसको हेल्प मिल जाएगी अगर 3 क्वेश्चंस उसके आंसर मिल जाएंगे तो? The king thought that if he got the answers of all his 3 questions, he would never fail in anything he might undertake. कहते वो कभी जो भी चीज़ करेगा उसमें कभी वो फेल ही नहीं हो पाएगा, उसे ऑलरेडी सब कुछ पता ही होगा पहले से ही. सो बट इट इज़ अनसर्टेन, है ना? लेकिन ऐसा होता तो नहीं है बच्चे प्रैक्टिकली. ओके, बेटा इसके लिए आप देखिए कि आपको फ्रेम करने आनी चाहिए आंसर्स खुद से. इफ़ यू आर क्लियर विद द कंसेप्ट्स, अगर आपने स्टोरी अच्छी तरह से समझ ली है, देन यू कैन फ्रेम योर ओन आंसर्स एज वेल. दे आर प्रेटी ईजी. What promise did the bearded man give to the king? The bearded man promised that he would serve him as his most faithful slave, या आप कह सकते हैं servant, and would bid his sons to do the same. Bid का मतलब होता है he would teach his sons to do the same, that is to serve the king throughout his life. जितने भी टाइम वो लाइव रहेगा वो किंग की क्या करेगा, एज अ स्लेव उसकी उनकी देखभाल करेगा. Why did the bearded man want to kill the king? आपकी bearded man मारना क्यों चाहता था king को? Because the king had killed his brother and seized his property. क्योंकि bearded man के brother को king ने क्या किया था, मारा था. ना सिर्फ मारा था बल्कि property भी छीन ली थी जितनी भी उनके पास थी. That's why he wanted to kill the king. How did the hermit react when the king asked him 3 questions? See, beta, other people, when the questions were asked, they answered immediately. But as the hermit was a practical man and he wanted to give the answers practically, that's why he did not answer immediately. On being asked, the hermit only listened to him and did not answer. He just spat on his hand, किंग के हाथ को उसने थपथपाया, एंड री स्टार्टेड डिगिंग, जो कि वो डिगिंग कर रहा था पहले ही, सॉइल को डिग कर रहा था, उसने कंटिन्यू वही करना शुरू कर दिया. दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन से दैट ही डिड नॉट रिस्पॉन्ड एट वंस. उसने एकदम से जवाब बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिया, एज ही वांटेड टू गिव देम प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज. I hope you are clear with the above questions. Beta, 10 more questions I am giving you in documents for trial. Do the above question that we have discussed today in your fair notebook. I'll be sending a documents later on after we discuss the assignments. Okay, then you can copy the answers in your fair notebook, and please try the other questions, remaining assignments in your rough notebook only, bache. For any doubts, you can contact me. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.